Hi everyone, today we're going to look at the Series 7 Apple Watch and talk about the difference between Do Not Disturb and the silent feature. So if I swipe up from the bottom, you can see I currently have the silent option turned on. That's the bell with a line through it. So if I tap it, it's going to turn it off. If I tap it and it's illuminated in red, that means I've turned it on. And when you do silent, this means that your alerts will not give you a sound, but your haptic alerts will still work. So those are your vibrating alerts. Now, if I want to turn this off and I want to go to Do Not Disturb, I would click on the moon. So when you go to Do Not Disturb, you can see you have some options here. On for an hour, on until tomorrow morning, on until I leave. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn it on for demo purposes. And you can see that the moon is illuminated in a little violet color. And then typically your phone will also show you an alert saying that you've turned it on your watch. And again, if you want to turn it off, all you do is click on the icon. The Do Not Disturb, it turns off all alerts, including the haptic alerts that I referred to earlier. It does not, however, turn off your alarms or your heart notifications. So, hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching.